Hey everyone, in this video we'll be showing you how to fix the black screen error in Snapchat on iPhone. So, the first thing you want to try is to uninstall and then reinstall Snapchat. Now if that doesn't work, head to the Settings app and scroll down all the way to Snapchat. And make sure the toggle next to camera is on. And that should fix it for you. So let's go to Snapchat. As you can see, the camera is now working. And that's it. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please leave us a like, comment if you have any more questions, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this in the future. Bye!